Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, W.D.T High Performance, or my TikTok channel, Brandon86X. In a way, here is my Thitek Heads. They are prorated for 1,600 horsepower. Dual springs. And here is my other ones I have. These are the W.D.T heads. They only go up to 700 horsepower. I will put this on my 2021 Dodge Ram Laramie. It is the single spring. They're pretty nice. So we're going to be putting on the idle pulley onto here. And I'm going to get my son Christopher to help. Here's my son Christopher.
Hi.
Hi Christopher. So we're going to put the idle pulley onto here. We got these already with Loctite on. And we're going to put that on there right now. So I'm going to help Christopher get this all set up on here.
Yep.
Then he'll tighten it down, and Christopher will tighten this all down. So hold on, everyone.
So everyone, I got my Allen wrench.
Yep. Want to just turn it?
So you got to turn it.
Make it nice and snug.
Ugh. Now what?
Now this side over here, come on.
Now we're going to do this again.
We got to make sure we do all three of them
Yep.
for the idle pulley. And they got the blue Loctite on.
What? Yeah.
Okay, can I see this?
I think it's done.
Nope, it's not done. Just make sure they're snugged.
Yes, it is done.
Good job, Chris.
You're welcome.
Alright then, we got it on there. Looks good. Christopher, I think you did an amazing job. Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
So, yeah, Christopher, okay, go.
Please share the next live and click that little bell
For more videos.
for more videos. And please share. Bye. Have a great day.
Bye, everyone. Take care. And God bless. Stay safe out there.
Yep.
High five, bud. Pow.
How
Thumbs up. Blow it up.